Hi guys, today I come with a very short video. I do this video just because I saw many questions on internet about this specific laptop. It's about HP Pavilion X360. The problem is about the touchpad. Touchpad on some stage stopped working. Many of people on internet is trying to install the driver. They talk about compatibility with Windows 11 because so many of us and we start now to have Windows 11, and the error is coming, and people think it's about the driver issue, but it's not. I waste many hours to install different drive on other laptop, but from the same group, to install drivers, other drivers, and finally I find the problem. Now I have another one, and I go directly to the problem. I show you how to fix this without wasting time, hours, downloading drivers and stuff like that. It's not about drivers. This time it's a hardware problem. So let's open quickly because it's hardware problem. Where is my screwdriver? So let's open this laptop. There is two solutions. One is permanently and fix the problem. One on some stage maybe is coming back. This time I chose for the second solution because my customer need a laptop tomorrow, and the second solution is faster. I show you what I talk about. Okay, let's open that. Where is my plastic thing? We are still on? Yeah. Easy, anybody can fix this. Okay, so like I said, the problem is not the software, it's not the driver. So first disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery. Unscrew all the screw from the battery. Actually it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Why this problem? It's because When the battery is getting old, start to expand and press the ribbon cable who connect the touchpad with the motherboard. And this ribbon cable don't have the best quality because it's HP, and that's the problem. The solution, temporary solution, the best solution is to order new ribbon cable and connect it. But temporary solution, because if I order now, maybe it's coming in 1 week or 2, depend where I find it. If it's from China, it's coming in few weeks. The temporary solution is to just to release the pressure of the battery wherever you can. I use this thingy, but you can use anything, just a plastic thing, or whatever you can, and you can do. So, what is the pressure? Pressure is here. And here. Too much. Yeah. And pressure is here. And here. You know, where the ribbon cable is become curly. Here is the problem. And to be sure, I fit here as well. Yeah, but this one becomes sticky. I repeat, this is a temporary solution. You just till I order a new ribbon cable. It's better. It's better to have a ribbon cable. Okay, battery back. Poor quality, HP poor quality. They have a few models with good quality, but most part no. Okay, battery back. Usually I'm supposed to start the laptop, but I want to put the back cover in the place because back cover have a own pressure as well. So I want to fit everything before I check if it's working or not. So okay. Yeah, I waste hours before trying to find drivers and update Windows and reinstall Windows again and again, different version. Nothing works. But after a while I find the problem. All good. I'm not sure if still have a battery charge. Let's try. I need to hide because it's a customer name. Because we disconnect the battery, the main battery, actually the only one battery this model have. Maybe BIOS is reset, yeah. So we need to wait a little bit. Let's see. Sorry about that, but maybe customer have a detail. Yeah, we need to reset the BIOS. No, still, yeah, it's working. Look. Oh, sorry. Sorry guys, I made a mistake and my customer name was on the screen, so I need to edit that part. I restart again. So if you have this problem with this family this model from this family, this is the solution. But once again, of course, it's about the ribbon cable. Order new ribbon cable, replace the ribbon cable, and your laptop is back in business. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.